Inventor Fusion gives us a third type of pattern. It's called the path pattern. In my graphic area, I've got a plate with a rectangular hole, and that'll be the feature that I'm going to pattern. Let's start by inserting a sketch. I'll bring in a spline. This is going to be the path that I'll pattern along. Just insert my spline points here. Double-click to finish the spline and select Stop Sketch. We're ready to activate the Path Pattern tool. The first step is to select the object to pattern. It's going to be Extrude To, and I can select it right from the browser tree. Next, we select the path that we're going to pattern along, and I'll select my spline. Currently, the number of instances is set at 5. Let me grab the yellow handle and drag it. I'll drag it right along the path. Notice that we've got 2 red handles as well. The red handle, the first one, is the number of instances. The second handle here is the start point of the pattern. Let's go back to 0. We've got the option to go in one direction or to go symmetrical. And we can also create identical entities, or we can align with the path. Lastly, we can calculate the extent of the distance along which we'll pattern, or we can calculate the space between the entities. And let's accept our work. Here's our pattern. This concludes our overview of the Path Pattern tool in Inventor Fusion.